Gates open, they're up and racing. Speedy Kim draws for your lead. Running by the rail is Madame Leonora to take the lead. Naglalabiyog Sari outside, in between runners Sugar Daddy. My Exam Ladies by the rail, Grand Game moving up. Then followed over by My Lucky One, Seniority, and Deep Rising is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 800. Madam Leonora in command by about 3 lengths. Running now in second is Grand Game. Naglalabiyog is running in third. Is Speedy Kim drops back in fourth. Sugar Daddy racing in fifth. My Lucky One sneaking in down on the inside is My Exam Lady, Seniority, and Deep Rising, heading towards the last 450. Madam Leonora still leading the field. Naglalabiyog now running in second. Grand Game is by the rail. Then comes Sugar Daddy. Speedy Kim with the last 200 meters more to run. Madam Leonora naglalabiyog is on the outside. We have Madam Leonora back to a length and a half lead. Naglalabiyog is on the outside, and finally Madam Leonora. Naglalabiyog. Grand Game is Speedy Kim and Deep Rising for your Pentapecta.